This is the WS301. So we're going to upgrade the OS just like pretty much any other device. And so let's just check. This is on U00, and I believe U64 is the latest. So I have that downloaded here, and we're going to use StageNow. I'm going to create a StageNow profile that will connect it to the Wi-Fi and transfer the file from my computer to the device, and then the device will do the update. Now we could get the file from really anywhere. You can copy it manually. You can get it from FTP, or HTTPS. I'm just going to leverage StageNow locally on my PC. So the where you're getting it from can change, but the other items in this um, can really remain the same. So what we want to do, we want to connect it to Wi-Fi. We want to get the file to the WS301, and then we want to install it using Power Manager. So once we have these three items, um, we should be good to go. My network action, add a new network, put in my SSID, put in my security, and then put in my passphrase. So File Manager, once I have my Wi-Fi, File Manager is what's going to get the file to the device. So I'm going to put my OS file here, so SD card, and then I'm going to file on a server or remote server, which in this case I need to expand this a little bit because there is a little drop down box here. So built in, select the file. So for built in, I'm just going to come and locally browse to the device on my computer and say, okay, built in staging server. So I could get it from an external server, and that's where I could put in an FTP address. You can see my other videos on how that's done. So now that the file is in there, we're going to say continue. And so we use Power Manager to install it. And so Power OS action, so OS upgrade. Where's the file? The file is what we defined in the download. And that should be it. Say continue. This doesn't really matter. Say unencrypted, complete the profile. And so here we are going to test. We should have a proper barcode come up. There's my StageNow. So if it works correctly, we should see it connect to Wi-Fi here. If I have the right password, there we go. And then we should start to see the download start to happen. 1%. Remember, this is a big file, so I'm going to pause. So we're at 50%. That only took about a minute or two, if that. Okay, so that started. The download was successful. And so what's happening now, if we scroll from the top, the OS update is happening. So we see here, if we can get there, right? So this window appears. You could still be working and doing things, but the OS update is running. When it's done, it will say we'll reboot in 15 seconds. And then the device will reboot and the OS update will complete. So after about 4 minutes, we're at 25%. You have to remember this device is purpose built for voice communications and simple tasks. It's not a high processor, high memory device. So yes, this will take a little bit longer than standard Android full OS full Google mobile services, where this is an ADSP device. Again, since it is such a small, I think it's a 3 or 4 inch screen. Currently around 73%. So almost there. So now that it's finished, it'll reboot in 15 seconds. And we'll see it restart. So in the end, we should see, if we go to settings, about phone, UN64. Thank you.